Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel! I am completely new to UV resin art, and this channel is where I'll learn, experiment, make mistakes, and hopefully improve with every project. If you're also a beginner or just love watching satisfying art videos, you are at the right place.
Wow.